This is where I begin. Before the dirt. Before I'm ridden. Everything starts here on the factory floor. I'm the Light Bee. Internal code name, X. Behind me are my two brothers. One for more power. One to learn on. The Ultra Bee and the Hyper Bee. This is the designer behind me. And the engineers who brought me to life. This is what I'm built for. Dirt, control, momentum. This is where we were born. A cyber mountain city, Chongqing. Inside a 20,000 square meter facility, Surron Technology R&D headquarters. Engineers build me to the strictest standards, precision down to the last millimeter, because true performance leaves no room for error. But before I ever leave this place, I'm tested, proving every step of assembly, every part checked by hand. Then they run me under load. I'm checked, calibrated, recorded, again, until I pass. It starts on a screen. Lines, angles, tolerances, every detail drawn with intent before it becomes real. This is my final test. Balance, control, wheelie, outside, then inside. Then it's back here, finished, checked, lined up. They shape the ground I'm made for. Our outside track. These are the people behind me. Design, engineering, testing. One team, one standard. Outside the office, the track is just another workstation. And after the work is done, it becomes our playground. They push me hard. Air, ruts, corners, landing after landing. Back on the line. One last look, then I'm signed off. Packed tight, sealed up, on my way to you. I'm ready. We're ready. Are you? See you out there.